Lyco's sealed drum separator is ideal in rendering applications after cookers for separating cracks from oil. The sealed drum design has been running since 2002 and is highlighted by its proven reliability. The drum is made from wedge wire construction with standard 20/1000ths of an inch opening. Wedge wire is very efficient, self-cleaning, and has more open area per square inch, making it a preference over perforated drums. Lyco reinforces the drum with outer spiral wrapping, which ensure the torsion strength will hold up to heavy loading. The enclosed design contains odors, and temperature controls come standard with a vent for steam. The unibody tank allows for improved oil recovery, and Lyco trunnions are made with all stainless steel to withstand high temperature. The sealed drum cover is a two-way flip-top system for easy maintenance and cleaning, and the unit also comes with multiple cleaning headers. Capacities for after cookers for oil recovery systems are as follows. The 36x60 unit handles 10,000 to 15,000 pounds per hour. The 48x72 unit handles 15,000 to 25,000 pounds per hour. The 48x96 unit handles 25,000 to 35,000 pounds per hour. The 48x120 unit handles 35,000 to 45,000 pounds per hour. If you would like more information about the Lyco sealed drum, please call our office at 920-623-4152 or visit our website at www.lycomfg.com.